The next metric that lenders are going to take a look at, and one of the most important metrics, is the debt service coverage ratio, or the DSCR for short. And this is defined as the net operating income divided by the total debt service. So it really measures the cushion the borrower has in net operating income in order to pay debt service. So if you think about it, it's really a measure of risk for the lender. So if you look below, we've got annual net operating income of $300,000 and annual debt service of $210,000. So the DSCR is 1.43x. So let's jump into Excel and look at this example in more detail. So back on the debt analysis tab in A15, we're going to analyze the DSCR. So we've got an annual net operating income of $300,000, an annual debt service of $210,000, and the DSCR is calculated very simply as C15 divided by C16. So the NOI divided by the debt service. We did the same formatting that we did in a previous lesson where you hit either Command 1 or Control 1, and that's going to give you the Format Cells window popping up. You go to Number, you go to Custom, and then type in 0.00 and then X in quotation marks. And that's going to give you that formatting that you're going to want. So what happens if your net operating income goes down to, say, $240,000? Your DSCR drops pretty significantly. It goes down to 1.14x. So this would probably be lower than what a lender was looking at based on the deal, depending on the deal. But this is a very important metric for the lender, because if you can't cover your debt service with your net operating income, then the lender may not get paid. So it's really a measure of risk for the lender, and this is oftentimes used as more of a hard and fast rule than you'll see the loan to cost or the loan to value being used, because this is really based on the income of the property, and that really affects if the lender gets paid or not.